Hi guys, today we are going to learn how volcanoes explode and why and what causes it. So time to start the experiment and see what happens with it. I'm actually scared. You know why? Because that volcano is about to explode. This is just great. And I will show you how volcanoes explode, but not now. Not now. So as you see, I got a big picture here. It's massive, as you see. So anyways, there's some stuff that you may recognize, but I'm not going to tell you. There's going to be a supply list, which I'll tell you shortly. So as you see, I drew a diagram that made parts of a volcano, like the crust, lava, and the magma, which makes the lava. And as you see at the back, it's gray. That's because when the lava comes out of the volcano, it makes dark gray clouds called ash. Must scream this out because it is a bomb fact about a volcano. And did you know a volcano is a type of natural bomb? Because it's kind of like a bomb because it explodes like a bomb, and it's natural because it's from nature. What a coincidence! So here is a picture of when lava dries, it turns into solid rock. Even when lava reaches rivers and drowns into it, it still turns into solid rock and would be easier for people to walk on it. But you gotta wait until it cools, because if you don't wait till it cools, you'll get hot feet. So first you gotta pile up a lot of snow. Then you have to make a big hole for your cup or plastic cup. Then you add baking soda, and then you add food coloring, red, which I'm doing now, and then you add vinegar, which makes the poofiness appear, and it also makes the explosion from the volcano. So now I'm going to add some vinegar to make the volcano explode with poofiness. Wow, it's exploding. That's super cool. And it's poofy and it's also red. Let's do a replay of what happened. Oh, I love it. It's so relaxing how it explodes. Oh, look, I'm going to add more. Oh my, what happened to the red? No. Oh, and it's also dripping at the side like a volcano. So mysterious. You know what this volcano reminds me of? This volcano reminds me of Etna because it's kind of very big and it has the color of it. And it's also lava. It was also poofy back then. And it also drips everywhere. And that's why this volcano reminds me of Etna. You can also find that volcano in Italy. Volcano alert! You know why I'm saying that? Because volcanoes are dangerous and also helpful. They're dangerous because sometimes rocks can come out of a volcano and hit you. And also, a volcano is also helpful because if there's a river and you can't cross it, lava helps. But you gotta wait until the lava cools to walk over it. So I'll tell you guys the secret to what powers the volcano. What powers the volcano is magma. Magma is made out of fire and lava, and it also helps by bringing lava up from the volcano. And people don't know how rocks appear from the volcano. It may be the crust. And now, the finale of this volcano exploding. And wow, how did this volcano get so rad? That is mysterious. That's not how real volcanoes look like. Maybe it's the red food coloring. What is that? Ooh, that's relaxing. That is a nice volcano eruption. And wow, this red volcano is so mysterious. I found a new volcano! After a little while, the color weared off. That's so sad, but still cool. Finally, we found out the mystery how volcanoes explode. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my other videos coming up. And hope to see you guys next time. Bye for now, but before I say bye, you're going to hear some relaxing volcano sounds.